I found this beautiful diaphanous dress at the boutique today.
Diaphanous? That's a fancy word. What does it even mean?
It means the fabric is light, sheer, and almost see-through. It's so elegant.
That sounds gorgeous. Was it expensive?
A little, but it was worth it. I couldn't resist. It's perfect for the event next week.
I bet you'll look stunning in it. What color is it?
It's a soft, pastel blue, almost like the color of the sky at dawn.
That sounds dreamy. I've never seen you in that shade before.
I know, right? I wanted to try something different this time.
You always have such a great sense of style. I wish I could pull off looks like that.
You totally could. It's all about confidence and finding what makes you feel good.
I guess you're right. Maybe I should step out of my comfort zone a bit.
Absolutely. You should come shopping with me next time. It's so much fun.
I'd love that. I could use some tips from you.
Anytime. We'll find something that makes you feel fabulous.
Thanks, Sophie. I'm excited already.
You're welcome. We'll make it a fun day out, just the two of us.
I'm looking forward to it. Let's set a date soon.
Definitely. I'll check my schedule and let you know.
Perfect. Can't wait to see that dress on you. Did you hear about the kerfuffle at the office yesterday?
No, I didn't. What happened?
Apparently, there was some big argument in the meeting room, and things got really heated.
Wow, that sounds intense. Do you know what it was all about?
I think it started over some disagreements about the new project timeline.
That doesn't surprise me. Deadlines have been crazy tight lately.
Exactly. And then it escalated because people felt they weren't being listened to.
I can see how that would cause a lot of frustration. Who was involved?
Mostly the project managers and a few team leads. It got pretty loud, from what I heard.
I hope it didn't get too out of hand. Did anyone step in to calm things down?
Yeah, eventually HR came in and tried to mediate, but it took a while to settle.
That's so stressful. I wonder if this will affect the project moving forward.
I'm worried about that too. It's hard to stay motivated when things are so tense.
Hopefully, they'll figure out a better way to handle disagreements in the future.
I agree. They really need to find a way to communicate without everything turning into a kerfuffle.
Right. I think more open discussions and less finger-pointing would help a lot.
Definitely. A little more understanding on both sides could make a big difference.
Well, I hope they can move past this quickly. It's hard to work when there's so much drama.
Same here. Let's just focus on our part and stay out of any more chaos.
Good idea. I'll keep my head down and stay clear of the meeting rooms for a while.
That sounds like the best plan. Let's just get through this week peacefully.
You won't believe what happened. I came across a wallet on my way here.
Really? Did it have any money or ID inside?
Yeah, it had quite a bit of cash and some credit cards too. I think there was around $200.
Wow, that's a lot. Did you find any information about the owner?
Yes, there was an ID with a name and address. I really want to return it to the owner.
That's the right thing to do. Most people would just keep the money and not think twice.
I know, but I can't imagine how stressful it must be for the person who lost it.
You're a good person. Do you plan on going to the address you found?
I think I will. I want to make sure it gets back to the right person as soon as possible.
If you need company, I can come with you. It might be nice to have someone else there.
That would be great, thanks. I feel better not going alone.
I'm sure the owner will be so relieved when you return it. Not everyone is that honest.
It's just the right thing to do. I would hope someone would do the same for me.
Absolutely. You're setting a great example of kindness.
Thanks, it's just about doing the decent thing, you know?
I know, and I wish more people thought like you. Let's get going before it gets too late.
Yeah, let's do it. I just hope they're home when we get there.
Even if they're not, we can always leave a note or contact them another way.
True, I just want to see the look on their face when they get it back.
I'm sure they'll be beyond grateful. It's not every day someone goes out of their way like this.
I'm just glad I found it before anyone else did. Let's make someone's day better.
Let's go make it happen. Please subscribe and see you soon.